As a homeowner in Gaithersburg, Maryland, maintaining your home's efficiency and aesthetic appeal is key to preserving its value and comfort. One area that is often overlooked, but plays a critical role in both function and design, is your windows. Over time, windows can deteriorate, losing their efficiency and visual appeal. But how do you know when it's time to consider upgrading your windows? In this guide, we'll highlight the signs that indicate it's time for a window upgrade, and why addressing these issues early can save you money in the long run. Rising energy bills. One of the most common signs that it's time to upgrade your windows is a noticeable increase in your energy bills. Older windows, especially those with single-pane glass or outdated frames, may allow heat to escape during the winter and cool air to leak out during the summer. This puts extra strain on your HVAC system, forcing it to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home. In Gaithersburg, where winters can be cold and summers hot and humid, the weatherproofing capabilities of your windows are crucial. Upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows with double or triple glazing can significantly reduce heat transfer, helping to stabilize indoor temperatures and lower energy consumption. Drafts and cold spots. If you can feel drafts near your windows, or if there are areas of your home that are consistently colder or hotter than others, this could be a sign that your windows are no longer sealing properly. This issue is especially prevalent in older homes, where the window seals have worn out over time. Not only do drafts reduce comfort, but they also mean that your home is losing energy. Upgrading your windows to those with advanced weather-resistant features, like low-E coatings and tight seals, can eliminate drafts and keep your home feeling more comfortable throughout the year. Condensation between panes. Noticing condensation or fog between the panes of your windows is another telltale sign that it's time for an upgrade. This often indicates that the seal around the window has failed, allowing moisture to seep in. When this happens, the insulating properties of your windows are compromised, reducing their efficiency. In Gaithersburg's humid climate, excessive moisture can also lead to mold or mildew buildup. If your windows are showing signs of condensation, replacing them with energy-efficient models that feature stronger seals and better insulation will improve your home's energy efficiency and prevent future moisture issues. Difficulty opening and closing windows. Windows that are difficult to open or close may seem like a minor inconvenience, but they could also be a sign of significant wear or damage. Old, warped frames or broken hardware can make it hard to operate your windows properly. In some cases, this can lead to safety concerns, especially if you are unable to open windows during an emergency. Upgrading to windows with modern mechanisms will ensure smooth operation and added security, while also improving the overall aesthetic of your home. Visible damage and wear. Even though your windows might still be functional, they could be showing signs of wear, such as cracked or chipped glass, rotting frames, or discolored sills. These aesthetic issues can detract from your home's curb appeal and lower its market value. If your windows are showing visible damage, it may be a good time to invest in a new set that enhances your home's look while improving its efficiency. Upgrading your windows also allows you to select materials and styles that complement your home's design, from traditional wooden frames to sleek, modern vinyl options. Noise pollution. If your windows are not properly sealed, they might let in more noise from the outside. This is a common problem in areas with heavy traffic or close proximity to busy streets, like parts of Gaithersburg. Excessive noise can be a major source of stress, making it harder to relax at home or get a good night's sleep. Modern windows are designed with soundproofing features that help reduce outside noise, creating a quieter, more peaceful environment inside. If you're tired of hearing traffic, neighbors, or other external noises, an upgrade could be just what you need. Outdated or unattractive design. If your home's windows no longer match your style or if they're outdated, a window upgrade can breathe new life into your space. Whether you're looking to increase natural light, improve views, or simply enhance curb appeal, upgrading your windows can transform your home's look and feel. Conclusion. For homeowners in Gaithersburg, upgrading your windows is an investment that can improve both your home's comfort and value. If you're noticing signs like rising energy bills, drafts, condensation, or difficulty operating your windows, it might be time to consider an upgrade. Not only will new windows enhance your home's appearance, but they'll also help with energy efficiency, noise reduction, and overall comfort. Investing in quality windows now can pay off in savings and increased home value for years to come.